Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing the chrome so coatings will adhere. First, degrease thoroughly using isopropyl or a detergent. Make sure the metal is bone dry before proceeding. Once dry, scuff the chrome with 400-600 grit sandpaper to create mechanical bite. You want texture, not damage. Next, clean the dust, mask off nearby parts, and put on a respirator and gloves. This step prevents adhesion failure and keeps you safe. Once prepped, you apply an adhesion promoter or etch primer to bond to shiny chrome. Spray 2 thin coats, waiting the recommended 5-10 minutes between passes so it doesn't run. After that, lay down a high-build or chrome-compatible primer, and if needed, sand with 800 grit between coats to keep surfaces smooth. Make sure to finish with a neutral metallic base coat. A silver or chrome-toned base gives you the reflective undertone that makes the yellow look like yellow chrome. Finally, you lay down the yellow effect. For best results, use a specialized yellow chrome or a translucent yellow lacquer over the metallic base. Apply 2-3 light, even layers so the reflective base shows through. Then protect it with a glossy 2K clear coat or high-quality polyurethane and allow a full 24-hour cure. If needed, wet sand at 1,500 grit and buff. If you see lifting or orange peel, make sure temperature and humidity are within spec, re-sand to primer, and reapply carefully.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.